Mommy and Piper, Mommy and Piper, cooking videos.
Cheeseburger Casserole.
What are we making?
Cheeseburger Casserole.
One more time.
Cheeseburger Casserole.
Cheeseburger casserole. That's what you said, right? Yeah. Okay.
Cheeseburger Casserole.
Right. What she said.
I said it's incredible. Give me here. Give me like this. Like this. Incredible. Pow.
Boom, boom. Okay, so we're gonna make cheeseburger casserole. In this pan, I have 2 pounds of ground beef. You want to show them? What did you say this looks like?
I don't know.
You said it looked like worms.
Yeah, I like worms.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to brown this on the stove without this one, and I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I don't know if you guys ever use this, but it's such a time saver. It lasts a long time.
That.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. You don't like
I
it.
don't want that.
So I'm gonna put that on the oven. Hey, we gotta tell them what we're doing, okay? Watch. Tell them what we're doing. So I'm gonna brown this with some garlic and some onion powder, and then we will be back to tell you
We got it.
what we do next.
Big one.
All right. So I have the meat browned.
This is mine. I can do this.
Yep. Oh. I have the meat browned. Well. And what I'm going to do to this, yes, I am going to add, I made some bacon, so I'm just going to crumble this bacon up.
What about me?
You want to try some?
No, hot.
It's not hot.
It's not.
All right, so I'm going to crumble this up and get this all.
Milk.
That's heavy cream.
I did.
So it's about a pound of bacon, I think is what I'm using here. And you can buy the store-bought kind too if you'd rather like buy the bacon bits, I guess. But
are you grandma buy those, or you cut the tomatoes? When the play of them, you the actual family and you the cut, and when you ask, sure, you can cut for me.
well, that was good. That was a good addition, right? That was a great addition, right, guys? Yeah, that was great. Okay, so we're going to get this all in here and then kind of stir it all together. I'm just going to use my hands. I don't know if you've heard that.
I'm going to use your hand.
Because, let me tell you what, little girl.
This is mine.
The best kitchen utensil you can ever have is your hands. Remember that, okay? Remember that. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to whisk these eggs. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
And I'm going to add to these eggs, I'm going to add some tomato paste. This is a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. And I've got this cute little spatula that just fits perfect into here.
Yeah. That's disgusting.
You know, tomato paste, that's how we make spaghetti sauce. Yeah. Okay. And we're also going to add some heavy cream to this.
Heavy cream? Oh, that's milk.
Yeah. It's like milk. You're right. And cooking with amateurs. I'm going to let y'all see her. Some salt and pepper.
Hot? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want salt.
Yeah, as you guys know, she does not like salt and pepper.
Yeah.
So we're wanting to mix this all together and get these eggs. I'm at the very end of my Himalayan salt here, y'all. Get these all incorporated. So this is how we... Alright, you gotta do it like this to get it all together. See? Alright, just don't let it spill out. Be careful, don't let it splash out. Good job. Yeah, we're not going to use that right now.
Oh, come on. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
I know you can.
Wait. I don't want that.
All right, let Mommy give it a good whisk, and then I'm going to let you do it, okay? Because see how that's still kind of... And really, you could probably use a mixer if you'd rather. Oh, wow. Well, it's just us eating this. Cooking with a 3-year-old. You know what I mean? But here's the thing, guys. They've got to learn at some point, and like, maybe she's going to be on like kids baking championship and make me a lot of money one day. I mean, I don't know, you know?
Yeah.
Right? Do you want to be on a cooking show one day?
Yeah.
We also are dance teachers, aren't we? Do we teach dance?
Yeah, I do it. I want to do it.
All right, you start working on that, mixing that together some more. I'm going to put this in the... I'm going to turn my back for a second. How's it smell? Smells good? Okay, well, that's a good thing. Yeah, you've already eaten enough cheese. You're not going to be able to poop for like a week. Okay. This is also a nutrition... This is sugar-free Kool-Aid. How about that? Oh, yeah, that's really gross. Okay. Y'all. Okay, so I think we've got this pretty mixed up.
Hey, that's my throw up.
Oh.
That's my throw up.
So this is our tomato mixture, not throw up.
Yeah, it looks like throw up. It looks like throw up. It looks like throw up.
Well, it's not though. Okay.
It looks like throw up.
All right. So it looks like throw up, but it doesn't taste like it.
I mean.
Okay. Now I want you. No. Here, what we're gonna do? Do not eat this. Put it in there. You've had enough cheese today. Put it in here. Can you dump it in here? Dump it in here. Do not eat. I know it's tempting to want to eat it, but we're not going to eat it. Okay, let me get you a spoon. Can you stir this all together, please? Great job. Whoop, whoop. Keep it in the bowl.
It's like dip.
It's like dip. That's right. So it went from being throw up to dip, y'all. All right, so is that pretty good?
Yes, dip.
All right. So now...
Hey, you making dip again?
Maybe so. You like when we make dip, don't you?
Yeah, you making dip again.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is make this really loud. So here's our casserole dish with our bacon and our meat. We're just going to pour this all over it. All right, make sure we get it all out. As Piper said, the throw up. And make sure you spread it out evenly. And those eggs, remember we had all those eggs that we used, those 7 eggs. And it's really going to all tie together.
Oh, yeah.
You could add mushrooms, pickles, you know, whatever else you would like to add to make it kind of a
I broke it.
cheeseburger type feel.
Mommy, I broke it.
Yep, you sure did break it. Thanks so much. Okay. Then we're going to top the rest of it with just some cheese. Because who doesn't love cheese? I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes in the oven. And then we're going to come back and we're going to eat this for dinner. Whoa! All right. We have this out of the oven. It's still really bubbly. But we have to leave the house here pretty soon. So I just wanted to show you guys how yummy and cheesy this is. Look at this. Lots of bacon in here, lots of cheese. Do not even bring your fingers near that, my love. All right, so I'm gonna give this a little try. Might be a little too hot for Pipes. It smells so good. Doesn't it smell good?
No.
Okay. That's good.
No.
This would be really good. Maybe throw some mustard on it. I would even like put a little pickles or something on it, maybe.
No, don't put the pickles. Don't put the pickles on. Yeah.
All right. Say go try this. You gonna tell him to try it?
Try it, Daddy.
Say give it a try.
Give it a try.
Cheeseburger casserole.
Ew.